It is the one and only Honorable House of Parakwa, and of course, we're talking about the issue of insecurity, accusations, counter accusations, and of course, quit notices and counter quit notices. Right, and it has to do with the Southwest and what has been playing out for the last couple of days. Right, so, Mr. Muri.
Mr. Speaker,
give you 7 days or 2
I just want to say it first of all that this issue, the bottom of it is that there have been some fundamental higgies, some fundamental public halals that are supposed to have been put in place by the government when it comes to putting in statutory functionalities. What am I saying? For those that are colloquial, for those that are pedestrian. Now, what I'm saying is this. Why is it that we do not have the owners of cattle put their cattle on ranch? For many years, the Oyibo people that we say we are copying, they have ranch. If you have ranch, you will have plot of land, you will go far, because if you have cow, then you must have the money to take care of the cow. If you don't have a big ranch, then you buy grass, because even that is an economic something. All those ones that are kidnapping and they are hiding inside bush, you know that by the time they cut grass for like 6 months or for like 3 weeks, and they gather the grass, they package the grass, and they sell it to the herders, they will have money. So this is what we are looking at. Why is it that first of all they say that cattle herders can be going around inside our bush, crossing from one state line to another, and also to make matters worse, they will even enter the street. You are inside hold up and cow is inside hold up with you. Cow is waiting when the light is red. Cow is moving when the light go green. There is running cow on express, walking cow in hold up. Cow is crossing road and cow is stopping.
I said I wasn't going to cut it. But don't mention cattle.
Even cow is driving.
How can he?
Mr. Speaker, it shows the level that we are reaching in Nigeria, because even cow is inside the Kiss FM studio, making noise, defecating all over the place, disturbing public nuisance. No, so it shows that truly.
Are you referring to cow?
See, I'm coming for you.
Mr. Muri has the floor.
Benny,
let him conclude.
Now,
I have something to say.
When you look at this thing,
I have something
it's
to
as
say.
if we understand that the Fulani herders, they value the life of their cows. They are very passionate, like Italian lover. So therefore, they should put them in an enclosure. Anybody that owns the cow should buy land where they will use to keep the cow, because at the end of the day, kukurutin therefore, it therefore nimbe.
What does that mean?
That means that the pest that is eating the vegetation, it is always on the body of the vegetation. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Muri Akeribiata Lakori. One. Let's hear from Malam Ajabo.
Thank you very much. Mr. Speaker, in Constitution of Nigeria, as prescribed by the Constitution, Area 1 versus subsection 2. If you read down, your paragraph section, you will now oppose to the motion who says, as a Nigerian, every kidney must reside in whoever is God's. Sorry, was I too fast? What I'm saying, let me reiterate. In the Constitution, Area 1, Section 2, as ameliorated, every kidney must reside in whose area is God's.
Sorry.
Now, we are in pain.
And you're elected.
We are in pain, Mr. Speaker, because the Fulani people, as a matter of fact, has been attacked. Has been attacked because in the Constitution enshrined, it says, and I quote, a living thing must stay in anywhere watery things can water.
What's
that? Let me water it down for that one so that I can carry these two along.
No, don't carry me along. I don't need to carry.
But Speaker, as a human being, we are all photosynthesis. We can be using as pollination. That's why a green grass must be in green snake, so that in furtherance we will emerge stronger. Let me just a conduce and focus in the day's topics, which is Mieti Allah. How can a human beast give a fellow human beast ultimatum? Ultimatums are only given in the arbitrary court of adjudication. As a lawyer, we must write the Nigerian government for a terms of alukutus. Is a law term. You are illiterate. Yeah, I'm not talking to you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, so just pipe low and listen. Take away things. You can type it down. Because when my parents, Mr. Speaker, the mother that murdered my father is a Bieti Allah Fulani woman. The mother that murdered my mother is a Fulani, full-blooded Fulani.
Sorry, when you say murder your mother, did they kill your mother?
Okay, don't use violence. You were on radio. Kids are listening. Don't
you
use.
said they murder your mother.
Because that high hune, she burns it.
Oh, burns.
Yo, what?
Burns.
The father that father my father, or the mother that mother my mother. So it is what you are talking is incarceration. Like in body can wow. That is if picking father and mother burns a child.
Burns.
The people I'm talking to know what I'm saying.
I'm not sure
the essence of this meeting.
They must know.
The essence of this meeting is that they shouldn't take us for granted. That's why Master IG Adamu issued an arrest warrant that they should pick him as base. Wherever any train he is, women should look for him and pick him up. So having said this, let us imbibe in the spirit of unity.
What have you said?
Let us imbibe in the spirit of uniformism. Let us imbibe in the spirit of oneness. These are my admonition. There is another Mieti.
You should round up this thing and let us
do you know Jato Emmanuel?
Which was my business with Jato?
Please round up.
He used to be a good law.
Who is that?
Jato Emmanuel. He is one of Cattle Bearers Association.
Manageable, time is of the essence. Just round off for it.
No, I'm giving my manifesto so that you know where I'm coming from. That Jadabaya was Orobani. Padam Ragoni. Nkajadabaya Shuri Zaka.
Nobody can hear what you're saying.
Okay, sorry. Wallahi not much. I only lost. You see, once a unified body have started speaking, let me not conclude without saying this thing. Because if I don't say it, am I wrong man? Put me on oath. So that I'll say it, so that I'll be on record. Mieti Allah will not step on hitch.
Mr. Speaker, I think all of us should just take our
Fulani headers.
All of us should take our hand up and do like this.
Fulani headers. Put me on oath.
Because it is time for us to flush toilet.
Let me quote. Is it quote or put? Quote me on oath.
I should quote.
Headers men are not moving. If you can't criminalize them.
Okay, thank you, madam.
Take this one home.
We will not take
it. Take it
I will not take it home.
Pap and beans.
No.
Wash it down with
I will not wash
minerals.
it. I will throw it inside dustbin.
Very much.
Mr. Speaker, I don't want to say more. I want to be morally in speeching. It means that I want to be very brief.
So at this point, Mr. Speaker, I
won't say more than this.
I think with
I rest
Malam
in peace.
has officially been Malamic in nature because this is what you call you have been bellified.
You see,
thank you very much.
I wanted to chip in.
Off your mic.
If I don't chip in this, I'm a wrong man.
The government have a hand in this. You know why? Why did they print 50 naira and they put cow that was crossing load in 50 naira? Does that mean
were those cows crossing the road?
Yes, they were crossing load. If you look at it clearly, there was a motor behind them. The motor was invisible. But with the third eye, that is the anya eja. That is the eye that you see what is in front. We saw the cow crossing the load. That is what gave them the effrontery to carry cow from Castina, from Sokoto, Forobush, chop all the things they can chop on the bush, and they will still come back inside the federal government. Mr. Speaker, man, are you aware that I entered inside the villa and I saw cow by the load side?
You entered the villa?
Yes!
Important
Mr. Speaker, man, you need to know I'm important because I'm a legislator. What I am doing is important. You need to have it in the back of your mind because it is clear.
You are what?
You are not even legislator.
What are you?
Are you aware?
A legislator simply defines.
Don't lose my focus. Now, Mr. Speaker, are you aware?
He's a traitor. A traitor.
That majestically walked into the city of pasture in Nigeria. Do you know how many cows are insurrective in this country? They would travel from here, go to everywhere. But Mr. Speaker, man, a food animal, you cannot go to his village and just live anyhow. You cannot go to his village and piss anywhere. But they can do this in this country. Does that mean that we are not working for them? Are we not the same Nigerian people? Why would they be opening eye for everybody phone every time.
Oh, well, your vein is about to pop.
Are you aware that Tiara, only 2015, Tiara, they were like a normal trade union, no level. Wow. But as we speak now, it seems that they can give order to governor to arrest somebody. Meanwhile, they are not even having power. No economical backing, no presidential backing, no constitutional backing. What is their backbone? Enough. Mr. Speaker, man, a governor of the state
is the number one.
Reserve the right to withdraw access to any person that he deems destructive, violent, or violencia.